Eli. Today, I'm gonna buy him a Subway sandwich, but I get to pick the toppings. And then at the end, you rank it out of 10, okay?
Gotcha.
Let's go. I would like some wheat bread. This one, a $5 coupon. What does this mean?
This one?
Yes.
Chicken teriyaki chicken.
I would like some of that. Do you have any of the tuna?
Yes, we do have tuna.
Yes.
You like teriyaki and tuna?
Fun to find out.
Pickles.
Pickles?
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Jalapeno.
More jalapeno.
Mayo. Subway cookie.
Vinegar too.
Vinegar. Toasted.
Oh, math.
That was bizarre. 7.55.
What do you got me eating, man? Oh, Lord.
Ooh, that's that grilled teriyaki tuna. Swallow it. Oh, that's terrible. Oh my goodness, with the cookie on it, does the cookie make it sweet?
A little
Is
bit.
it sweet? Does it have like a mustard taste to it? I put mayonnaise on it, but it's like,
The tuna really comes through a lot.
okay, it kind of saves it.
Yeah, a little bit, honestly.
Can we get another bite? He's like, nah.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Oh, he's a savage. Oh, you guys are wrong.
I get about 3. Get about 3 out of 10. I make my own music. I'm Crank. I'm on Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Music, everything pretty much. So my latest song is called Came From The Sun. So just look up Crank, Came From The Sun.
This is official Dak Boy Crank collab.